Hello friends, this is your girl Josy. I hope everybody is doing very well. Today is Saturday and it's another video for 100 envelope savings challenge. We are a family of 8 and we are doing the challenge throughout the whole year to October. So if you are new here, thanks for being part of my friends. And for this week, your girl has been under the weather and I can feel from my if you can feel from my voice that I have really been under the weather, but I still have to bring the video to you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry about my voice, so keep watching. Hello again. So today is Saturday. We're going to cast off my husband's 100 envelope savings challenge and the kids one as well. And if you watch my previous videos, you know how we're doing it. We're doing it up to October and I'm going to show you guys. And I want to give a big shout out to everybody here. One of the people made a comment that the way I fold the money, I should try in a different way. Thank you so much. I forgot to put your name, got to put a name in my head, but I'll leave it on the screen when I find that comment. So thank you so much. I love you guys when you do that. We are human and we make mistakes. We do stuff that will not be the same as other people. But when you make changes, we are listen. Trust me, we listen a lot. So today, because I'm under the weather, I have my, I wouldn't say a tea. I have a lemon and apple cider vinegar that I mix it together in this beautiful cup that was given to me by a friend. And on it, it said, good friends are like stars. We don't always see them, but if you know, they are always there. And I love it. I really love it. This year that we are going in, 2024, try and make sure you be a good friend to somebody. Yes, if you're a good friend, you love them. So let me take a sip, then we will go into the video. I like it. When you are having like some kind of a sore throat, lemon water always comforting. I love it. I should have added ginger as well. Let's go ahead and count the money, then we will start going. We have 10. I'm trying to do this with a calculator. So let's see if your girl can do it. I'm not smart like that, but let's say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55. So we have 65. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 70, 71, 72. So we're going to do 72 for the two of them. And I'm going to show you what the person was talking about. Let me move the money here on the side. I love to make sure. Let me also find my pen. Where's my pen? Don't tell me the kids came for the pen. Oh my God. You see? Oh, no. They did not. I have it here. They did not take the pen. They did not. I didn't look further. So let me put it here. So I have my pen today. So what the person was trying to tell me that when I'm putting the money in, instead of trying to fold it a lot, I should fold it just like this. Then you put it in. So let's try it and see. I hope it wouldn't, I like putting it in faster, but I hope this will not waste a lot of time. But let's see. I was trying to do it for all of them. So the person was saying that I should try to put it in like that. So let's see. Oh, I think it works. Oh, it does works. And it also make it flat so that it won't be bulky as well. So let me do this one fast. Then we will continue the video. I hope everybody's doing very well. I'm under the weather, but I'm doing really well by God's grace. And thanks for everybody for checking my video, for watching, for even looking at it very well, so that when I make mistake, you will tell me. Thank you so much. Also, this is kind of cool if you do it this way. So let me finish it up, then we will cast off today's one. So this is how it look like, flat. So today for my husband, we're going to do 6, 7, and 8. And you guys know that for that one, we are doing the double up. So 6 is going to get 12. And some people ask me questions like, do you have to double it up? No, you don't. You don't have to double. You can do whichever amount you want in these envelopes. You don't have to double it up. You can do whichever amount that you want. Like for the kids one, I'm doing just $10 in each bag. So it depends. It literally depends on you, how you want to do it. I hope this one is not going to make me in a struggling bass. Okay, so I just have to make sure I can slide it in so easy. Okay, so let's do the next one. The next one is 7, so we are doing 14. And for all my friends, you have any question, just leave in the comment below. I'll be glad to answer all your questions about this challenge. Super excited to do this with everybody, and the whole family is excited to see what we can do in October when we finish this challenge. Okay, so that's it. And what I realized is that when I'm sliding it in, the thing is still intact. I thought like it was going to break or something, but it's not. So this is really doable as well. The next one is 8, so it means it's going to get $16. Okay, and also want to ask you guys, leave in the comment, do you like in the old way or you like it this way? I think this is so cool. It's flat, it won't look bulky. So I finished with my husband's own. So we put in 6, 7, and 8, and we're going to keep track of that over here. This is not my pen. So my kids, they had my pen. Oh my God. Let me use this color. See if it will be the same. No. Oh, close. So 6, 7, and 8 for this week. Okay, and I'm going to also track it here. So I put in 12, 14, and 16. And so for those of you also asking me, when you buy, you get this empty tracker as well. Okay, so that's all for my husband's. Let's close it and put it here. Then I'll do the kids. So the kids one, I'm putting in $10, which I'm going to do this offline. Let me go ahead and update it. So it's going to be $10, $10, $10. Okay. So let me do it in the right way or the easiest way. I don't know which way is good, but will you guys prefer this way or the way I'm doing it now? Leave in the comment. I think this is not bad. If I find, because it's not breaking, it's not bad at all. It makes it flat. So yes. Okay, so that's that. So let's do the next one. The next one is also $10. So at the end of this challenge, we're gonna get is 100 of them, so we're gonna get $1,000. So that's why I was saying you can do whichever amount. You can even do $1 if you want. Don't let anybody, don't compare yourself to anybody. Don't say, oh, people are doing the 100. If you don't have money to do that, that's fine. You can do even $1 in each wallet. Okay. And this is how it look like. Let me take a sip. I love it. Then let me try and do this one quick. I hope everybody's doing very well. Tomorrow is the last day for the year, and I hope everybody's gonna get time to reset your 2023 and try to come out with what you're gonna do in 2024. I write stuff down a lot because when I see it, it motivates me to do better. So I urge everybody to write stuff down. Even if you are not the person who writes stuff down, do that this coming year and you see the difference. I have my goals written down, my work, which I'm going to share with you guys tomorrow on my community post. And 2024, for those of you who are new, I used to post videos on Sundays. I call it Save Day Sunday, but I'm not doing that this year. This year, I'm going to use Sunday to reset for my week. So I won't post videos on Sundays. So Sundays is going to be a day that I'm going to reset, organize myself for the whole week. And is that said, it means no videos on Saturday. But I'm going to do a post. I would normally do a community post on Sundays. I'll watch other YouTube's channel when I'm relaxing on my Sunday. So that's one of my goals for this coming year. No videos on Sundays. It's just going to be, if I'm posting throughout the week, it's going to be Monday to Saturday. But if I'm just going to post a few days in a week, it's going to be Mondays, Tuesdays, Fridays, and Saturdays. And my videos are coming out 9 o'clock at night because when I did that for Broad Mist, it works so best for me. The reason is that when I go to work and I don't have a video, when I close, I can come in, do a video, and post it. So that's one of the plans I'm trying to do. So this is how it look like. We are doing $10 for each packet. And at the end of the challenge, we're going to get $1,000 for the kids. I have 5 kids, so each of them will get $200. So the 100 envelope can be done in so many ways, not just putting in the numbers 1 to 100. You can do whichever way you want to do it. So thank you for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, thank you. I appreciate everybody. I will see you guys in my next video, which is going to be Monday. Bye. Happy New Year.